Is it possible to remove the plosive completely in Audacity? The conventional answer is no, but I have developed a tool that makes the audio look like plosive-free. You can hear the difference yourself. The top track is with plosive, and the bottom track is plosive removed.
Really do appreciate it. So Real Life is a podcast all about movies. You probably say that's a pretty broad subject to not have a specialized topic for. And it kind of is, and we'll tackle that here in a few minutes and tell you how we think it's going to work. Really do appreciate it. So Real Life is a podcast all about movies. You probably say that's a pretty broad subject to not have a specialized topic for. And it kind of is, and we'll tackle that here in a few minutes and tell you how we think it's going to work. Tackle that here in a few minutes and tell you.
It feels like there is no plosive in the second track. The method I developed is so simple. First, identify a part of the audio with plosive. For example, this part has a plosive.
Really do appreciate it.
I will zoom in until the plosive patterned waveform appears. The zigzag shape waveform is the plosive. Select the zigzag shape waveform. You do not have to select precisely. A selection of waveform with the zigzag into it will do. Now go to Tools, Apply Macro. Select the deplosive macro. The zigzag shape is gone, and this part is now plosive free.
Really do appreciate it.
Repeat the same process with other parts of the audio. Find the zigzag-shaped audio and apply the deplosive macro.
Really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate it.
You can get this macro from this Buy Me a Coffee page. Installation is pretty simple. You will get this TXT file when you purchase the macro. You have to import the TXT file in Audacity. Go to Tools, Macro Manager. Click on Import and browse to the location of this TXT file. Select Open and you are ready to use it. There are many situations where re-recording is not an option. This macro can save you from the plosive nightmare. You can already see what a user of this macro said. He runs a podcast and gets plosive from the guest recording sometimes. With this macro, no more worries about plosives.